Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet a cluster V-stitch pattern with change color in them. So I hope you will like this pattern. This is a very beautiful pattern. So let's see how it goes. So let's get started. First of all, I will use this green yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot. And now start making chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, and then chain 10. So I have made total of 24 chains for my project. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 and into the sixth one we would start working. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, pull through, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, and now again wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, pull through, draw a loop, and pull the yarn through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. So pull the yarn through all 3 loops together to make a cluster. Now make 2 chains, and again we would start working into the same chain. Pull the yarn through 2 loops, wrap the yarn, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then pull through all 3 loops together. So this is a cluster V. Basically this is a double crochet 2 together. Now skip 2 chains and into the third one we would make a cluster again. So pull the yarn through 2 loops, again make a double crochet, pull through 2 loops, and then pull the yarn through 3 loops together. Now again make 2 chains, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, pull through 2 loops, and again repeat the process and pull through 2 loops and pull through all 3 loops together. So this is our second cluster V. Skip 2 chains and into the third one again make a cluster by making double crochet 2 together, then 2 chains, and again make double crochet 2 together, now complete till last 3 chains, and now we have last 3 chains. Now skip 2 and into the third one we would make a double crochet stitch, pull the yarn through 2 loops, and now we would finish the double crochet stitch with the change color. Now I am using a pink yarn. So with this color we would complete our double crochet stitch. Now make 3 chains, and after these 3 chains turn the work. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet, and then we would start working into the chain 2 space. So now pull the yarn through 2 loops and wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, pull through, and then pull the yarn through 2 loops, and then pull the yarn through 3 loops together, make 2 chains, and then start making a double crochet 2 together again. So this is the cluster with the change color. Now make another cluster into the next chain 2 space, and in this way we would make cluster V stitches in every chain 2 space till the end of the second row. Now cut this green yarn strand and complete the row. So I have completed the row. Now what we will do, we would work into the turning chain, and in the last turning chain we would make a double crochet unfinished, and we would finish it with this green yarn strand. So this is how we would change color. Now again make 3 chains, turn your work and start working again into the chain 2 space. So make a double crochet cluster right here. You can also call it as double crochet 2 together. Now work into the next chain 2 space, make double crochet 2 together, 2 chains, and then again double crochet 2 together, and complete this round till the end and cut the pink yarn. So I have completed this row. Now again we would make a double crochet into the turning chain, which is the third chain, and we would finish double crochet with the change color, which is the pink one. So now again make 3 chains to start the row and start working into the chain 2 space of very first cluster stitch, and make double crochet 2 together, 2 chains, and then double crochet 2 together into the same chain 2 space. So work into the next chain 2 space, repeating the same process of making double crochet 2 together, 2 chains, and then double crochet 2 together. Now cut this green yarn and make a few rows like this by changing the color. So I have made a few rows. Now in the last make a double crochet stitch into the turning chain and finish it with the pink yarn. And now what we would do, we would finish our work with a single crochet line. So make a chain 1, cut this green yarn strand, and now we would weave these yarn ends also in our single crochet work line. So start from here, make a single crochet into this row chain 3 space, make a single crochet right into this, and now make a single crochet into the next chain 3, again make a single crochet into the next chain 3, now make a single crochet into the next chain 3, which is the turning chain 3 space. So make 2 times single crochets right into the turning chain space and work till the end of the corner. So I have made single crochet lines, and now we would work at this corner. and in the corner make single crochet 1 and then a single crochet 2 into the same space, and after that into each chain, which is the base chain, make single crochet 1 time. So make a single crochet in every chain space and in this way complete the single crochet edging in the end. So I have completed the single crochet line. So this is how our cluster V stitch is made. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for watching.